Today I'm running brake lines. This is 3/16 nickel copper brake line. Right now I set the origin using right here. So this makes it flush. Then you rotate this to the position 1 for 3/16, and then you drive this pin into the piece with the arm by pressing on it until it bottoms. Then you release it. You can see there's a rounded shape on it. Then you rotate it to position 2 for 3/16, and then you drive the arm a second time until it's home, and then when you look in there, you'll have your double flared fitting. Let me put the phone down and remove it for a second. Now you can look at it. This is what the fitting looks like. I'm having trouble focusing on it. So you have a nice double flared fitting on the end.